Hello all, welcome back to the coding arch. Today we are gonna see webhook site. Okay, so have you ever been stuck waiting for a backend developer just to check whether your payload is correct or not? Or you are using a tool like Anatan, Zapier, or frontend app, sending a webhook, but you have no idea what actually is being sent. Today, I shall show you a tool which I am using for over 2 years, which remove this pain completely. Name as webhook site. This tool can instantly see webhook payload, headers, query params, form data, and which type of request method it is without asking anyone for the server logs. Okay, let's see what problem does it solve. Common situation like frontend send data to the API, backend says payload is wrong, and attain automation tools like they send webhook but not sure it is firing or not. External API gateway access to their server, debugging headers like authorization, country type, or verifying JSON payload or form payload or query string. This is exactly where webhook site comes in. So, what is actually webhook site? Webhook site is a temporary request interceptor. It gives it's give a unique URL and anything sent to that URL like get method, post method, headers, body, it captures and displays instantly. Think it like a mirror of HTTP request. Okay, let's see by live demo. Okay, so here is a webhook site. Just we have to search webhook site on browser. There is a first URL webhook site. As you can see here, there is a unique URL which will just for you. You can copy that URL and paste. For now, I am using a VS Code Thunder client for sending the webhook request. And now I am pasting a payload, changing the method type post and hit enter. And here, as you can see, I received the webhook request in my webhook site with the post method and the body which I used over there. Now, amazing, right? So you can give that URL to the integration like Zapier and check are they firing or not. Okay, so important notes. These URL are temporary. These work for 4 to 5 days, and don't run them for production secret. You can use you use it as a testing, debugging, and learning and development, and it is perfect. Thank you for watching.